The fourth community isolation facility in Hong Kong, constructed with the support from the Chinese mainland, has been put into operation after it was handed over to the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region government. The newly built community isolation facility in Fanling provides over 350 rooms with more than 1,000 beds for emergency isolation. The facility, which covers an area of about 20,000 square meters, is composed of modular cubicles, with each room equipped with basic furniture and bedding, air conditioner and smoke sensor, among others. Designed and built by the China State Construction International Holdings Limited, the construction of the facility was completed in less than 20 days. So far, 4 of the 6 mainland-aided community isolation facilities have started operation. The other projects in Hung Shui Kio and Tam Mei of Yuan Long will be handed over to the Hong Kong SAR government this month. The 6 facilities will provide about 20,000 additional beds for emergency isolation. On Sunday, Hong Kong registered 13,335 new COVID-19 cases by nucleic acid tests, and 19,095 additional positive cases through self-reported rapid antigen tests.